Icing on the cake recipe. A cake is not a cake without yummy icing. Colorful homemade frosting recipes. This recipe for icing is so simple. If you can boil water, you can make this icing. Great for topping cakes, cookies, cupcakes and more. Simplest icing ever. Ingredients: ½ cup softened butter, salted or unsalted, depending on your preference. 4 cups, 1 pound powdered sugar. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. 5 tablespoons milk or cream. Gel food coloring, not the liquid. Start with a drop or 2 and then work up to the color you want. Instructions: add softened butter into your stand mixer or bowl. Beat butter on medium to high in stand mixer or with a hand mixer for 3 minutes until fluffy. Just before the end of 3 minutes, add vanilla and 3 tablespoons milk to butter. Keep beating. Reduce to medium-low or medium. Slowly pour in powdered sugar and continue beating for a total of 3 more minutes on medium, moving up to high speed as sugar is incorporated. If you want to add in food coloring, add in while it is beating, that lasts 3 minutes. If frosting is too stiff, add in more milk 1 teaspoon at a time and beat until combined. Spread on cake or cookies. To store, place buttercream in an airtight container and store in refrigerator for 2-3 days. Bring to room temp prior to frosting.